Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add Google reviews to Wix website. First thing first, go to your Google Reviews widget provider like Embed Reviews or Offsite and sign up for a new account. Now in your widget dashboard, go to the Sources tab on the left side menu and click Add Source, then choose Google. Grant permissions so the widget can access your Google reviews and select your Google business location from the list, then click Next. Now, browse the available Google Reviews templates to choose a widget template, then hover over the one you like and click Use this template. Now to customize it, adjust layout, colors and style to match your Wix site design, and once done, click Embed on the top left menu. Just copy the embed code. Now, log into your Wix account and open your site in Wix Editor. On the left sidebar, click the plus icon. From the menu, select Embed Code, then choose Embed HTML. A blank HTML box will appear on your site. Click Enter Code and paste your Google Reviews embed code and hit Update. Now drag and resize the widget to fit your site's layout like homepage, sidebar, testimonials page, etc. And once satisfied, click Publish in Wix and your Google Reviews will now display live on your website. Just a pro tip, place reviews on high visibility pages like your homepage, product or service pages or checkout page to maximize trust and conversions. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.